Hello my friends, welcome to the 286th episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. Being a southern girl, I love me some sweet tea. I loved it since I was a little girl and still love it today. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some southern sweet iced tea. And my friends, this is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. Quench up your thirst, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make, and this would be great on a hot summer day. The barbecues or fish fries. Everybody will enjoy the sweet tea. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other sweet tea video recipes. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your tea bags, your ice, and your sugar. Because we're about to make some southern sweet iced tea magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my pot I have 2 cups of water that I boiled and I removed it off the fire. And we're going to add in just a pinch of baking soda. And about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to add in our tea bags. I'm using 8 tea bags. And we're going to let the tea steep for about 8 minutes. Alright my friends, the tea is nice and steep. So now we're ready to assemble everything. In my pitcher, we're going to add in the tea. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 8 cups of cold water. And of course, this isn't sweet tea without sugar. We're going to add in 1 1/3 cups of white sugar. And we're going to give that a quick stir until the sugar dissolves. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern sweet iced tea. See how simple and easy it is? And I garnish it with some lemon. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. So refreshing, and I love that little fresh brightness from the lemon juice. This is so amazing. Please give this iced tea a try. This deserves another sip. So cool. Southern sweet iced tea delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Cheers!